is hesitant to join a fun playground activity because he is afraid to try something new like monkey bars.
Yes, I did it. I know the little scared, but I am fearless.
Yes, being fearless because courage is it all of us. Vanya, you know, I want to become an RJ. RJ? What is it?
Absolutely. I'm Marjuvitanshi and honestly, everyone feels afraid. But the real question is, how do we handle it? Yes, Vedanshi, exactly. Fear is natural. कभी स्टेज पे बोलने का डर, कभी एग्जाम का स्ट्रेस और कभी रिजेक्शन का डर. बट fearless वही होता है जो इन सब के बावजूद आगे बढ़े. You know guys, मुझे याद है मेरी फर्स्ट लाइफ शो. माइक के सामने आते ही और बीट ऐसे बढ़ी जैसे कोई मैराथन चल रही हो. But once I said my first line, बस डर उड़न छूट.
Everyone present here. Today I'm standing here and my heart is full of joy and pride. Joy, your presence, and pride, how beautifully and how fearlessly my little ones have performed today. Please, a big round of applause for them.